Hey everyone, welcome to Python for Kids. In this video, our agenda is going to be functions and variables. I know I taught you guys variables in the last video, but in this video we're going to get more into variables. So let's go ahead and I'll tell you guys a quick definition of what a function actually is. A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. You can pass data known as parameters into a function. A function can return data as a result. Okay, so what you want to do is go ahead and open up Visual Studio Code. And I've got an example over here. So everything over here is a data, and when I run this, this is over here is my result. So I'm telling my data that when someone runs the code, make sure to give this as a result. Like for example, when you search up on Google, you know how it gives you a result. So everything in the Google is programmed as a data, and it tells it whenever someone types in something. For example, you want to search up a YouTube link or video or a singer or a song. It tells the data that whenever this person searches this up, make this as a result. So when I run this, my result is going to be I am learning Python, and I've told my data over here to run that code too. So I want to hit backspace. I want to tell you guys how to make one. What you want to type in is def, make sure no caps, hit that space bar. I want to type in func, F-U-N-C, which stands for function or short form. And you want to hit the brackets and then the semicolon, and then you want to hit enter. And it's already going to give you a tab because now it's, whenever it's like a definition, it gives you a tab. And I want to do print. And I want to do quotes, because whenever we do print, we need to do quotes. Yes, sometimes, guys, we don't need quotes, remember, but if we don't do quotes right now, it's going to give us an error. And we'll type in I am learning Python. And then you want to go hit enter, skip line 3, go to line 4, and then you want to hit backspace. And then your cursor or your typing cursor lines up with the D, and you want to type in func, F-U-N-C. Then you want to do brackets. Now I'm going to explain you guys what the code means. Def function tells the computer that we're going to tell the computer the definition. So if someone runs the code, it's basically telling the code to run func, func, and the definition of func is I'm learning Python. And as it says, I'm learning Python. So that's it for our functions right now. So now let's jump into variables. Okay, now I want to give you guys more of an introduction to a variable. In last video you probably learned that definition, but in this video we're gonna get into the coding in part. So let's go ahead to over here, and you want to create a new file. Control N. You want to hit Control S, and you want to type in variable.py. Variable.py, and then make sure, guys, like always, make sure the .py is at the end, or it's like not gonna run Python. It's just like gonna give us an error, because it's gonna be a txt, and text it's only gonna be a text. So yeah. So now let's type in example. And then you want to type in capital VAR, and the VAR stands for variables. And what you want to do is go ahead and press the equal to button. I want to type in I am learning variable. I'm just gonna type in Python. You're gonna go hit and enter. And you're gonna hit enter once. Remember, skip line 2. And you wanna type in no tabs, guys. And you wanna type in print example. Okay, I want to tell you what the code means now. So example where is basically our name. For example, there's name to everything like Python. So example where is telling the example where means I am learning Python. And when we hit the enter and go to print example where, it's telling it to print what example where is. So when we hit that, it's gonna tell what example where is. I am learning Python. So it's basically the same thing, but basically in function, there's more, like in function, you need to like give a lot of details. Cause function only is only the code only runs when it's like when it is called, and yeah. And like I said in the definition before, it turns a data into a result. It turned this whole data over here into this specific line of result. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching my video. Hope so you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions down below, make sure to comment, and don't forget to like this video.